The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is launching very soon, but I know many of you just can't wait. So today, I've got exact replicas of the S25 Ultra to show you. But that's not all. I'll also be sharing confirmed leaks and rumors about all the upcoming phones, plus one more phone that might launch alongside it. Make sure to hit the like button and stick around until the end. Let's dive in. Starting with the S25 Ultra, here's your first look at the phone. This is the titanium blue variant. At first glance, it doesn't look too different from the S24 Ultra. It has a very similar design. The button placement, S Pen slot, and ports on the S25 Ultra look almost identical to the S24 Ultra. However, upon closer inspection, there are some subtle yet significant design changes. The most noticeable and important change is in the sides and edges. The sides are now flat and the edges are rounded. This improvement makes the phone feel much better in hand compared to the S24 Ultra. It's also more comfortable to hold for extended periods, as it no longer puts pressure on your pinky finger or palm. A big relief for heavy phone users. With the sides now flat, the phone's width has been slightly reduced, making it more comfortable to hold. Despite this, the display will be slightly larger, thanks to much thinner bezels compared to the S24 Ultra. The resolution and refresh rate remain unchanged, and the display will continue to feature the same anti-glare coating. It's also expected to use the M13 display panel, just like the S24 Ultra. While I was hoping for the latest M14 panel, already being sourced for the iPhone 16 Pro and Pixel 9 Pro, rumors strongly suggest Samsung is sticking with the M13 for this model. The camera module design will remain mostly unchanged, though I was hoping for some updates there. However, the camera specifications will see notable improvements. The ultra-wide camera gets a significant upgrade to a 50-megapixel sensor, a big jump from the 12-megapixel sensor on the S24 Ultra. The 3x telephoto camera will still feature a 10-megapixel sensor, but it's slightly larger, allowing it to capture more light and deliver better details. Additionally, Samsung is incorporating grade 5 titanium into the S25 Ultra's build. This change makes the phone slightly thinner and 13 grams lighter than the S24 Ultra, adding to its premium feel. The S25 Ultra will still pack the same 5,000 mAh battery as its predecessor. I know many of you, like me, were hoping for a larger silicon carbon battery, but it seems that won't happen this time. The same goes for charging speeds, which are still rumored to be capped at 45 watts. However, there is some good news. Samsung is introducing support for faster 25-watt G2 wireless charging, which is a nice upgrade. As for colors, there are some exciting options this time, including titanium black, titanium gray, titanium gold, silver, and the titanium blue we have here. There's also speculation about a jet black variant, but we'll have to wait and see. When it comes to colors, rumors across various sources are all over the place, so it's best to wait for the official launch to confirm everything. These are the expected design changes for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. On the inside, the upgrades are more predictable, like the Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy, UFS 4.1 storage, the same S Pen, IP68 rating, and the latest Wi-Fi and Bluetooth standards. However, there's one unexpected upgrade. The higher storage variants will now come with 16 gigabytes of RAM instead of 12 gigabytes, which is a welcome improvement. Lastly, the S25 Ultra is rumored to support satellite connectivity, but this feature might be limited to the US, similar to what we've seen with the iPhone. So, don't expect much from it in other regions just yet. That's pretty much everything about the upcoming Galaxy S25 Ultra. But wait, there's more. Samsung is rumored to be launching another exciting device, the Galaxy S25 Slim. This new model is expected to compete directly with the iPhone 17 Air. It will feature the same display size as the S25 Plus, but will be incredibly thin, measuring just 7mm, about as slim as the iPhone 6. The S25 Slim is rumored to sport a triple rear camera setup, including a 200-megapixel main camera, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 50-megapixel telephoto lens with 3.5x optical zoom. Powering the phone will be the Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy chipset, paired with a battery of up to 5,000 mAh. Impressive for such a thin design. The Galaxy S25 series is expected to launch on January 22nd, with pricing rumored to remain the same as last year, which is great news for fans. That's everything we know so far about the upcoming Galaxy S25 phones. I'll also be bringing you a hands-on video straight from the launch event, so stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Honey, when you say